Hey everybody, Xavier Smith, Excellent Solutions. Hey, we're just talking to a couple of my boot camping friends here, and I got a couple of students that wanted to be on camera. Hey Laura, how you doing?
Hi, great, how are you?
So what is this? This is like week 3 for you, right?
Yes.
Okay, and we also have Aaron. How you doing,
Hey,
Aaron? So how you guys feel about the boot camp?
Love it.
Yeah?
Awesome.
So,
Gets me up and keeps me going all day.
nice, nice, that's awesome. What about you, Aaron?
Really is the best part of my day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you're an early riser anyway, so.
I am. I'm a morning person and a night person. Between 3 and 5, I'm kind of useless.
Nice, awesome. Well, I just wanted to get you guys on camera real quick and just have you give me your opinion about the boot camp, because I think it's great, and hopefully we'll be able to create that community of active people. And from what I understand, you guys have already told others about it, right?
Yes.
Awesome,
You'll
awesome,
never
awesome.
get better sleep either.
Nice, that's what I'm talking about right there. Well, there you have it, folks. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we just wanted to have you meet some more boot campers. And so my question is to you, what are you going to do about your fitness? Xavier Smith, Excellent Solutions, we're signing off.